Welcome to the TSplus Academy. Your learning journey begins in your inbox. Open your welcome email, copy the temporary password, and click the login link. Enter your username and paste the password to connect. You will be prompted to change your password. Enter the current one, then create a new, secure password following the on-screen requirements. Save your changes. Click Continue, then review and accept the policies to access your dashboard. The Preferences menu is where you can customize your personal settings and manage your account. From your dashboard, select a course. The course page shows your learning path, module by module. You can navigate through the different modules using the top menu to explore the training content. The Welcome tab is essential. It details the program and the rules for your certification, especially how to save your progress. Our training uses the Watch, Try, Do method. To earn your certification, you must successfully complete all Do mode activities, marked with a badge. Inside each activity, choose Watch for a video demo, Try for interactive practice, or Do for the final assessment. Beginners, start in Watch mode. Intermediate users, use Try mode. Experts, you can go directly to Do mode for certification. Use the internal menu to navigate the lesson. You need 80% to earn your badge. If you fall short, click Start again for another attempt, or Next to try later. You can log out anytime. Your progress is always saved. To get your certificate, go to the Your Certification tab. Once all Do modes are passed, your course will show as 100% complete. The yellow stars confirm you've passed all required Do modes. You must now complete the training evaluation form to access your certificate. When the form opens, switch accounts, if necessary, to use the same email address you used for your training. After the survey, click Download your certificate and then View Certificate to open your official document. Upon certification, you'll earn your official Open Badge for IT based on the V2 standard. This badge is verifiable, portable, and interoperable, allowing you to showcase your skills anywhere. Complete all 4 learning paths to earn your Certified Expert TSplus Complete Solutions badge. Here's how our certified professionals are sharing their badges. They're celebrating their new certification by posting it on social media, then adding it to the Licenses and Certifications section of their LinkedIn profile, where anyone can click to verify the badge on Badger. Welcome to the TSplus Academy. We're always here for you.